Right guys, as you can tell by the colour of it, I've been out this morning bashing my Corrali Jambo, so I've not had this out for a little while. I've been so obsessed with my boats, but this morning I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to do a little bit of RC bashing. So I just came down to a sort of local, it's not really a full BMX track, it's this little sort of little jump and a little tiny little track being sort of made by somebody over here. So I've been out for about an hour with the car, went through a couple of battery packs, running also these GXF graphene 6500s, which are really good, and my favourites, these Z powered 5200 milliamp lipos 120C discharge. They're really good value for money. I was a bit sceptical when I got them because they were so cheap, but no issues whatsoever so far with them. So yeah, so I'll just have one more battery, get up the road, obviously show you guys the footage that I've had and just have a little rip round here. But this car, I mean, Corrali sent me, it still kind of blows me away they gave me a car for nothing, and it's probably my favourite partly because of that, but also the fact the way it handles. I mean, it just jumps so well, it's just such a beautiful car. Turns really fast. You can see that there. It's just for value for money. It's a sort of, it's not the cheapest of cars, but it's so I would say it's sort of mid-range budget, sort of an RC basher. But what you get for your money is insanity. So yeah, I've got this. I've got the Kronos, which is probably a bit more stable, but it doesn't turn as quick as this car. The Radix 6 as well, which I'm not going to lie is in pieces just now. Excuse me, I had a bad crash with that, got to rebuild that one, and yeah, no doubt I'll get more Corralis in the future. So right now I've said I'm going to get this Pro Moto Velocity. I still want to get that, but I want to wait a little bit and just see if there's any issues, like, cause I'm a bit sceptical with Velocity with the problems I had before buying their cars straight away. So with this bike I want to see if there's any problems before I spend all that money on it. Other than that, I was looking at the new Charisma Subaru Impreza 1997 one. That looks fantastic as well for the money, a little 1/8 scale. It's only about £300, which in the price of RC cars right now is pretty much looking a bargain. So I might get that, but for right now I'm so into my boats and I've got so many cars I need to rebuild. Like, I've just currently rebuilt my Axial Rift. I want to get some sort of big hill climbs on the go with that soon. Yeah, I've got a lot of cars to fix before I can kind of justify buying too much new stuff. So that's the problem when you've got a lot of RC cars. It can kind of get out of hand, they break, and you've got loads of other ones. You put them at the side, forget about fixing them, then you get something else and you end up never fixing them. So I really want to sort that out. But like you can say with this Jambo, this never really had any issues at all. It's a tough little car. I don't bash it as crazy as some of my other cars. I've never took it too high. I'd probably say that's kind of about the level of height you jump I'm kind of doing with it. Unless it's a really kind of proper track where you've got a good cambered landing, I won't go crazy. I don't like ruining my cars. In my early days of filming, I done a lot of, used to like going out in the mud and the rain and getting videos of all the mud and dirt kicking up, but it's really cost me a lot of money over time fixing things that are broken. So I'm trying to be a bit more careful with the cars I've got this time, or from now on, whatever you want to look at it, because like I say, the hobby's not cheap and there's nothing worse when you've got these cars and you can't take them out, is overshoot that a little bit. But yeah, I just want guys to say, obviously don't forget about the Corralis. The Jambo is just outstanding, fun little car. I'm only running it on 4S today as well. It's 6S capable, but trust me, even on a big track you don't need 6S with it. It's way powerful enough for the 4. Probably just a standing backflip here. There you go. You can see the power the car's got. So the fact you can flip it on 4S, yeah, you can flip it on 4S. To me, you don't need 6. You're just putting a lot of strain on your diffs, all your gear. The motor's going to get hot, the ESC. Corrali's ESCs and motors are really good, but they're pretty much hobby wings, and to be fair, Hobby Wing's my favourite brand, so yeah, can't really complain at all. But what I'll do, I think I've hit my button off there. What I'll do now though is I'll leave you guys with the footage. Not really got too much more to say, and finish off my play, get down the road, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Oh, I think I've knocked my battery off. Yep. But I'm going to have to open this up to get to my battery, but enjoy the footage, and yeah, there you go, Crally Jambo, absolutely awesome.